Welcome. Dear learner, we are discussing about the radioactivity. In this lecture, we have to see the different applications of a radioactivity. In previous lecture, we discussed about the artificial radioactivity or artificially produced radionuclides. We know that when the boron or aluminium is bombarded by alpha particle, then we produce some artificial nuclides. Friends, in this lecture we have to see what is what are the different application of a radioactivity. After attending this lecture, student will be understand the different application of radioactivity or the application of a radioactivity in a different field. The radioactivity, this phenomenon is used in research field, that is biological research, chemical, then physiological, physics, agriculture and other science, and also the this some radioisotopes are also used in industry. So radioactivity, this phenomenon is used in medical field, it is used in industry, it is used in agriculture, and also it is used in research field. So we have to see one by one. So let's begin. First application of radioactivity. Radioactivity is used in medical science. We know that the radioisotope iron 59, it is used to study deficiency of a red blood cell in a human body. Sodium 24 and iodine 131 is used to study the pumping action of a heart. Then iodine 131 is also used to study the functioning of a kidney, liver under normal and diseased condition. It is also used for treatment of a thyroid gland. Some radioisotopes are used to cure the brain tumor, or it is used to destroy the brain tumor and relieve the patient from the heart pain. Cobalt 60 and gold 198 are used for the treatment of a cancer. Phosphorus 32 used for curing skin diseases. So these are the different application of radioisotopes in the medical field. Now in agriculture field, the radioisotopes are used to study the function of a fertilizer for different plants. They are also used for developing new species of plants by causing genetic mutation. When some genetic mutation is carried out by using the radioisotopes, the new species can be produced. So it is used to develop the new species. And then radioisotopes are also used in industry. The radioisotopes are used to study wear and tear of a piston ring and the gears in engine. And then in the study of suitable lubricant for their prevention. They have been used to study the underlying the earth layer during oil exploration operation. They are also used to detect flow in a metal structure and for a different treatment of alloy such as quenching, annealing and and case hardening. They are used for uniform lubricant and gears. These are the applications of radioactivity in an industrial field. Now, radioisotopes are also used in nuclear research. Radioisotopes have been used in the study of a nuclear disintegration of a element. Radioisotopes are used for food preservation by exposing the vegetable and other foods suffer the radiation from radioisotopes. Their shelf life can be increased, or when this some foods or vegetables we expose some radiation, then it can be preserved. The radioisotopes are also used for carbon dating. In the radioactive dating, we know that the carbon 14 has been used for dating the cultural history, or the estimating the age of geological formation, or we can say that it is a use in archaeological study. So these are the applications of a radioactivity. So radioactivity is used in medical field. Some isotopes are used in medical field. Then radioactivity, this phenomenon is used in industry. It is used in agriculture. Okay, agriculture to study the functioning of the fertilizers and to develop the different species. It is also used in industry. Radioactivity or radioisotopes are used in research field. Radioactivity, carbon 14, we know that carbon 14 is used to find the age of the fossils or the archaeological study. So these are the different applications of a radioactivity. And in next lecture we have to see the problems of radioactivity. Thank you.